It's simply not going to happen by March 9th. It kills me to say that. It kills me to say that. I overpromised. There's too much to do and not enough time. I can't pull it off. I made several assumptions that turned out to be incorrect. One, that when a thing was already stripped and the new parts were there, that meant that I could just put them together. But unfortunately, brand new 40-year-old wheel cylinders like this are completely seized. Thankfully, I have brand new replacements, but for some freaking reason, there's multiple small differences between several different versions of these things with a locking locating pin where one won't work for the other. So there's just nothing I can do about that. I did get one to fit, and it's on there. I mean, it works and it's straight. The clip on the back I'm gonna have to fiddle with. I thought that they were literally like a spring clip, not sort of this softer metal and you can kind of get them levered in. I was thinking watches, because that kind of big clip is how you keep your watch buttons in. This goes on the inside. If my thumb's the button and it's on the inside of the case, something just like that is what keeps the button from coming out. But the ones that Seiko makes are like springy. This is like this weird, it's soft. I can bend it with my hands. I'm just not, it seems like a strange technology to me, a strange choice. I mean, I'm looking at this like I've never seen it before because I really haven't ever dealt with these before, so I don't understand the theory behind them. But I guess it's because you can't avoid vibration, and so you give it something to, give it some gap to vibrate, because you couldn't screw it down because it'll unscrew or something. Whatever. I mean, they've been using them for decades, so what the heck do I know? Yeah. So like all this stuff underneath the car where it's all nice and fresh and black but has this rust, it's all this stuff. And this was in the corner of a pole barn where the guy also kept stuff for salting roads. Might have been some atmospheric salt in there. A lot of stuff like this, just surface rust. It's nothing major, like at all. Except when it comes to brake calipers. So I'm gonna have to get new pistons for these. I might be able to clean that up, but in any case, I'm gonna need rebuild kits, but for some reason I don't have. I thought I got them. I swear there's a box of crap I got from Northwest, whatever the heck it was. I swear, where is that? I know I have another box of stuff. Any case, these I can't use as they are. I need a rebuild kit. I'm not gonna be able to get a rebuild kit here fast enough to do that. Here are the calipers off of the GT. They're obviously in no better condition. I do have completely rebuilt carburetor sets. I have everything that can go up around the engine, around the fuel system. I have all the hoses, I have all the carburetor stuff. I can put that together. I can go through, I've got a brand new radiator. I've got all the new radiator hoses. So I can build up the carburetors and the engine, fuel, all that stuff, radiator. I am getting to the point, well, more than getting to the point, I can put that, I want to body coat the new tank, which is still up there. I need to get a wire brush and just rough brush that and body coat it or something. I don't know, just spray it down. I'm here, right? Then I got to get the tank out, bolt the tank into place after putting our handy dandy, is it over here? Ah, yeah, it's right here. Our complete brand new sending unit. All the gaskety happiness thingies that goes with that, and the brand new straps that go on the top. We'll get that gas tank in here. I have the braided lines for the pipes up under here. You can see actually, that's the end of the fuel right there. And that goes, I'm trying to figure out, why are there vacuum lines that come off the fuel pump? What's that about? So I need to assemble The brakes, back brakes, yeah, see, look at all this. Look at all this stuff. That was just from sitting there. So I can assemble the brakes. I can bleed the hydraulics. I'm going to leave these hubs alone for now. I'm going to clean them beautifully. The splines aren't actually that bad. I'm just going to leave those. Well, I did come up with a couple fun discoveries. Here, let's run power to our system. Wait, I'm on the wrong place. Okay, so we got running power here. Aha! Got us headlights. Oh, that's just a bad connection. That won't power up. There we go. There we are. We got high and wait, where are they? How come I'm not getting, I was getting both before. I don't know, I must have done something funky. I'm looking at, oh yeah. Life in the old girl yet. Let me get around there and turn that power back off before it starts screaming at me. Oh wait, do we have, where's the light switch? How does that work for the dash? That's supposedly the horn. I'm not hearing any horn. Windshield wipers. High beams? Oh. High beams? Ah, there we are. I had the wrong switch. Okay, I got highs and lows. I don't know if I've got anything coming on back here. Don't think so. Don't have any running lights. Let's stop the clock again. Let's see if we've got reverse. Do we even have any bulbs in that thing? Oh. There's nothing even, yeah, it's not even plugged in. I don't even know if I've got bulbs in there. Turn that off. Found a chink in the armor in terms of the bodywork. Bodywork underneath here is really rough. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just all this rough metal. I cleaned the heck out of it. I cleaned the heck out of this thing. The splines aren't actually that bad. They're worn on this leading edge. It's got these, they're worn. I've seen worse. Dad had some that were worse, believe me. I got this freed up. It was totally locked up. My tool worked beautifully. I got new brake hardware there. I need to get these new rubber boots. They're cheap, but I don't have them, which means I'm stuck for doing emergency brake. Also, the emergency brake cable, whole unit on this thing is destroyed. Cable's bad, the wrap is bad. So I've got to order a whole new unit for that too. It's just not going to happen. There's just not enough time. There's no way. But I can get a lot done. And of course, today's greatest triumph, the fully rebuilt, correctly rebuilt, now functional fuel pump. Makes me extremely happy that I did it. Yeah, so let's close out the night with my triumph. Hopefully this works. Just like that. I did that. Never rebuilt one in my life before. I did it today, the last couple of days, and it came out great. This looks a little crude, but you know what? I'm happy. Frickin' thing works. So wait, these tubes, those tubes These vacuums, go to this. What is it used for? Powering Career Spritzer or something? What's it used for? Anybody knows, let me know. Hey, this thing looks like, looks like Chiquita Banana if she were a robot. Anybody else agree? Okay, thank you for watching this video. Help me free myself from my compulsion to obey imaginary deadlines, because there is no deadline. I'm going to keep working on it. Sadie's still learning to drive. I'm going to keep poking. Okay, thank you much.